Hey friend, welcome back. Let's talk about Zilliqa. My price prediction and chart analysis of Zilliqa for the month of September. So if you're wondering, should you buy Zilliqa? Should you sell? What's happening? I will answer all of your questions in this video. And this video is not financial advice, it's for educational purpose only. So this video is geared toward people who want to buy and hold for 6 months or longer. All right, so here I am on Zilliqa's chart. And as always, when it comes to making money in crypto, you need to do two simple things. You need to draw your chart pattern so you know where to buy low and sell high. And you need risk management, which is just a fancy way of saying you gain more money than you lose. And if this sounds complicated, it's not. Let me explain. So here I am on Zilliqa's chart, and let me draw you a chart pattern so you know where to buy low and sell high. So I do see a rising wedge, and this is a rising wedge, and a rising wedge usually breaks down. So let me draw for you, and this chart pattern helped me buy low and sell high and time the top. So this is a rising wedge. Give me a second right here. All right, so this is a rising wedge, and a rising wedge is a pattern where support is where people think is cheap, so they step in to buy. So you see how it touched the support here, and then it bounced 135%. And notice how it touched this support line again. It went down right here, and then it bounced 120%, etc., etc., etc. And then once it's near the peak, the apex of this pattern, it decides to break up or down, and then it decides to break down, and this is where you should be selling. So notice the price, notice the date. It says April the 20th. You see it right here, April the 20th, right here. So I told my group to sell their Bitcoin and their altcoins on April the 14th. So I have sold my Bitcoin altcoins near the top thanks to chart pattern right here. So if you know your chart pattern and you sell the top, you don't have to suffer the 80% crash, because there's people who bought here, say people who FOMO in the top, and then the price did crash 79%. So you draw your chart pattern, all right, and to help you to buy low and sell high, and so you don't get caught when the price crashes. All right, so I have given you a short lesson on chart pattern. So let's look at this current price. So should you buy for September? Should you sell? What's happening? Let me answer your questions. So I do see some sort of broadening downward channel, right, like this. So again, the same principle applies. We want to buy low and sell high. And what do I see? Well, it depends on what the price wants to do. We don't try to predict what the price wants to do, but rather we react. For example, if the price goes down like this, then I know to buy, because this is a good area of support. Why is that? Because the market has shown to us that it's good. It's a good area, because the price went down here, and then it bounced 117%. So when the price bounced back down to this level, investors and traders, the smart money, know that it has a decent probability of bouncing like this. It could bounce like this, or it could bounce like this. But whatever the case is, this is a good price level to enter, which is at around 0.052. All right. Okay. So the price could go like this, or it could break down. All right. Okay. So if it breaks up like this, then it has shown to me, because of the market structure, it has shown to me that it's bullish. So I could buy here once it has broken out, or if it dips down to this price level, then I could buy in here and too. It's all about knowing what price levels to buy. And another indicator is you use this thing called an Altseason Index chart. And the Altseason Index chart helps you know when to buy altcoins, because for those who are in the market this year, you know how April and May was the peak of alt season, and then the price crashed down 80%. But the smart money, the people who have been accumulating altcoins in November and December 2020, they bought here and they watched their coin. They held strong hands and they watched their coin 10x and 20x before selling the high. So you use this chart to help you buy low and sell high. And for those who don't know, what is the Altseason Index chart? It's that if 75% of the top 50 coins perform better than Bitcoin over the last 90 days, then it's alt season. And you can see here. All right. So the smart money right now, what they're doing is that they are accumulating altcoins. They buy the bottom and they sell the top. And of course, you want to be the smart money. You want to accumulate altcoins. That's why I'm making this video today on Zilliqa, because it's a good project and I do want to accumulate the bottom. So what can you do? Well, you can set your buy order here. If it hits down here, you can buy. Or you can dollar cost average buy, meaning you buy a bit today, then you buy a bit next week, then you buy a bit the next week. The reason being is because you want to buy and have your position, have your bag, and wait for a next run up, because this could be a zone where the smart money, the whales, are accumulating for next leg up. Yeah. So anyways, friend, I do hope that you have learned a bit of chart pattern, and you have learned something new today regarding the Altseason Index chart. And if you have found this video informative, and if you have liked how I have told my group to sell near the top of Altseason, then you definitely enjoy my premium Telegram group, where I'll help you and I'll give you a winning portfolio strategy, small cap coins that could go 10x, and you get access to my trading course, so you learn how to trade with confidence and much more. Membership starts at $37. There's 86 of us. You come in, you join, you chat, you chill, you learn, and it's pretty fun. You can click on the video description right here, and here's my ID on Telegram. You click here to chat with me on Telegram to join the group. Anyways, friend, thank you so much for watching. I do hope that you have enjoyed this video. I do hope that you have learned the chart pattern and learned what area to buy low and sell high. And I do suspect that we are at the bottom of alt season, and that if you hold with strong hands, in 6 months time, you will be rewarded greatly. Anyways, friend, thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll make more awesome content to come. Thank you. Oh, and my price prediction, definitely that it breaks the previous all-time high on the next alt run. We can look at, for starters, we can look at, let me see here. 40 cents would be a good start. So if it breaks the previous all-time high, if it climbs back up like this for September, I would be very happy and surprised at 24 cents. All right, friend. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video.